Yes, I'm recording on my phone right now. I'm in a rush. The shoot is at 8 o'clock. It's currently like 7:15, 7:20. I don't have time to set up the camera and do the whole intro thing, so what's going to be welcome back to another video. If your day's not going good, I hope tomorrow is better. Let's subscribe, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, subscribe, and feel loyalty. It's very awkward doing this like this, but I promise you something. It's much better than holding this camera while doing this. Because the God, Jesus, just know. And it's so crazy. I am off of like 3 hours of sleep. Like y'all seen from the title, we have the final, hopefully not, but it might be the final POV video until the next season of sports, which is gonna be football season. For right now, baseball POV video, episode 4. Y'all know the usual. GoPro, A1. Now that y'all can finally see it because we're on my phone. So we got the Sony A1, 70-200 2.8. Other than that, it's very simple. We're gonna be shooting a lot today because shooting for 4 hours. So it's gonna be a lot of photos, a lot of action shots. This video doesn't mean this video is gonna be long. I'm only taking the best of the best shots from everything that I did and putting it in the video. But cause I don't even think my GoPro will last that long. Other than that, we can go ahead and just jump right into this. I'm gonna go finish making my breakfast and just head out the door. I appreciate y'all for everything. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into this, man. Let's go. I'm gonna see y'all there. Breakfast sandwich B-roll. Hold on. My bad.
Hey guys, tune into DTV production. Damn, that's it.
Yo, bro, you're weird, bro. Right here. See, we kind of get right here. It's perfect. Here you go, Jordan. Come on, kid. Come on, kid. We say 2-3. Let's go, 2-3. Hey, go, kid. Come on, kid. Hey, Jordan. Oh! Hey, boy. Hey, get up in there, get up in there. Hey, come back, Harold. Hey, come on, kid, find it.
Hey, settle in. Let's go, kid.
Good spot.
Ride the hill as much as you can. coming. Eat it.
Hey, you good, 3?
Got it. There you go.
𝑴𝒄𝒄𝒉
Better hold them.
Hey, nice shot.
Hey, better shoot.
Come on, Jordan. Let's go. Okay, start up, okay. Hey, keep your head in. Come on, 2, 3.
I'm surprised he let that happen. That's crazy. He called that safe? He was out. I got it clear as day. He was out. Damn.
Hold it there. I got you. Hey, one. Hey, look at three. No. Get him. Got him. That's boy. He's out the back. He's the one. Come on, Blue. I need that Blue. He went away. 3 feet. 3 feet away. He went. Come on, Blue. Jesus Christ. Come on, you gotta give me that Blue. He's not going anywhere. Hey, three. Got him. Hey, Blue, I'm trying here.
You.
Yeah? I didn't think so. Okay.
No, I saw it. No, you came to our school. I mean, you came to our class.
Oh, you saw?
Yeah.
So I'm back from the shoot, clearly. I think there's over 2,600 photos to go through and edit. Insanity. Absolute insanity. But it was some great shots here. I haven't gone through them. I'm uploading them now, so I don't know. Let me know what was y'all favorites in this video. Timestamp what was y'all favorites, but my favorites, which I can tell, one is gonna be, I don't know, I caught him mid-throw and then his leg, I don't know, it was weird. It was a weird shot, but not a weird shot, it was like a cool shot. Like mid-throw, because he just, I don't know, it was stylish, so I really like that shot. So I know that for a fact that's gonna be up there. Other than that, I'm sorry for this being such like a run and gun low quality, whatever the case may be. Hopefully it's not super low quality, but it's lower quality with the versus what y'all are used to. But yeah, also I apologize for not talking as much while I was out there. I'm still trying to get used to that. It'll happen. Just give me a little bit of time, because usually when I'm taking photos, I'm really just chilling. Like, I just be relaxing, just to myself, taking some photos. So talking behind the camera, I don't know. It's something for me to still go ahead and get used to. I appreciate y'all for everything. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Then we can check out the merch link in the description below. Check out the preset link in the description below. And most of all, check out that broadcast link in the description below. I think we're about, what, 10 to, what is it? I think it's like 10. Yeah, no, I'm sorry. We're like 100 subs away from 7K. So that's very, very crazy. At that point, it's just 3,000 more subs. And I mean, we have the rest of the year to do it. Because like I said, at the beginning of this year, my goal was to hit 10K before the end of the year. And we're on track for that. So, I mean, I'm looking forward to it. I appreciate y'all for everything. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm Sir Creative. See you next week.